Welcome to your course dashboard. Here, you'll be able to get an overview of the performance for your courses. You'll see an example sample data for the last 30 days, and of course you can clear it in the upper right-hand corner. Scrolling down, you'll see a couple of blanks that doesn't have any performance information, and once you start enrolling a couple of people into your courses, you'll start seeing additional information. Below this, you'll see the revenue generated inside the account versus the last month, total checkouts, upsell conversions, and you can click on Go to Revenue. This will open up a new net revenue chart page, but of course there's no data to be able to compare. You can see net revenue, compare offers between different accounts, and if there's any errors, it'll show up in the upper right hand corner. You can also choose whether or not this is a line chart, bar chart, and choose the amount of time to view this information. Going back to our primary dashboard, we can see the average order value here on the right hand side and also go to revenue from that page. Below this, you have the course progress funnel, which will show you a number of signed up users, started users, and completed for each one of your courses. You can also click on Go to Funnel. This will allow you to hone in on particular courses and products that you have. You can click on Filter, and you can filter by individual products and by offers. Going back to the primary dashboard once again, you can scroll down and see a couple of quick helps that will help you launch a course, do a theme customizer, and magic links. Clicking on the clear sample data will zero everything out for this page, and you can start creating new courses.